I'm not quite sure, and perhaps the Attorney General will give us specifically the legal basis of, and a reference to a statutory provision of the 10%, whether there's actually a statutory provision to say in any exploration, initially 10% will come. Where did the 10% come from? So that we know that. So once we work out the midstream activities of how much it is, who's going to take it, we then work out whether we want beneficiation in order to allow our people to be employed in the industry before we decide that where is it going to be shipped out.
As we have started the process, we have used the existing legal framework, one being the Nature Conservation Ordinance that regulates that area where the that project shall take place, part of the project shall take place. And we also used the existing legal framework to regulate the process, the RFP process. And since the whole industry is new, even if you look at Germany, Australia, everywhere, all these countries are in the process of developing policies and legislation around the industry itself. So we have already mapped out a process whereby we shall start to look into specific policies and statutes that shall then regulate the industry as a whole. Obviously, we shall not then wait for that to be complete for us to be able to take advantage of this process. We shall use the existing statutes to regulate the activities that are already taking place. At the same time, then embark upon the process whereby we refine the policy and also to see how best we can use the existing statutes or legislation to make sure that the process proceeds. However, we foresee a situation whereby we have to come up with the whole package of legislation that will then regulate the industry from downstream up to upstream and downstream.